Welcome back. Chef Ronnie is in the kitchen today, and this is a recipe from our friend Shelley.
Yes.
And it smells delicious already. You're going to want to make it because I know I'm going to.
Are you?
So what are we making?
Well, I think if we could put up this. I named it Shelley's Creamy Spaghetti Bake. I think is what it's called.
Yummy.
I don't know. It's creamy and spaghetti bake. There it is. Yeah, Shelley's Creamy Baked Spaghetti. I got a little backwards, but anyway, super simple. We hope, Shelley. And if we do something wrong, it's Carol's fault. Okay, so we have 16 ounces of spaghetti, a pound of.
Here.
Oh, Elaine. Sorry. It didn't fall on the floor. It's okay. A pound of hamburger, 20.
So sorry.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. So we have, so I've got a pound of hamburger, and I'm browning my hamburger. I have 16 ounces, which is a pound of spaghetti, and it says to cook it and drain it, but back off a minute before it's all the way done. So Carol, bless her heart, is trying her hardest. We're gonna take this cream cheese. I don't know, was that on there? So we have a thing of cream cheese.
I hope it's the whole one because it's in there.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And then you take 8 ounces, which that's why I bought 8 ounces of sour cream.
Okay.
And you're going to put that in there? Yes.
Okay, all 8 ounces. I can do that without making it fall.
Yep. And this, if you have a recipe that you would like us to try to make,
please send it because.
Or just come make it, because we've had a lot of people come in, well, a lot too, come in and do something.
Know what we're doing.
Stir that up. And then to that creamy yumness, and you have to have the cream cheese at room temperature.
Yes, because that makes it easy to.
See how easy that was when you put the cream cheese on the hamburger? Yes. Look at that.
Stir, stir, stir.
And to that, we add 8 ounces of cottage cheese.
Yummy.
Which is half of this, Carol.
Okay, I can do that. We'll just eyeball it because that's how good of cooks we are now.
Yes. Yeah. And I'm going to keep my sour cream because this is something that if I need a recipe.
You're sour, but I emptied it all in.
No, that's fine. But I want to wash the rest. I want to wash the container because then it measures out 8 ounces.
Oh, Ronnie, you're so smart.
Because Ronnie is.
So there's half a cup of cottage cheese.
Okay, so to the hamburger, I season the hamburger, and you're supposed to add minced garlic. The minced garlic is still sitting in my fridge at home. So it didn't make the trip to NTV. I am so sorry.
But we had plenty of onion powder at
Yes. Okay, that's coming together pretty nicely there, Carol.
Your cream cheese was ever so perfectly softened.
See, and I think to me that's the key. So it's a 9x13 pan. She's going to spray that. Okay, so to this I'm going to add 24 ounces of marinara sauce. Maybe. Ooh. And this is plastic. I like that.
And it's marinara sauce. Okay. Just your regular old marinara sauce, ladies and gents.
And I bought 2 just because sometimes, I don't know, sometimes it gets dry and but that's just me. But I don't like.
Once you take it out of the oven and look at it, you'll know if it needs a little extra.
Should I? Of course, I'm wearing white today.
Yes.
Okay. Do you mind? I'm just gonna get all the goodie out of that.
So what kind of beef did you use?
This is actually Papa Verley's beef.
Okay.
From the farm.
So is this like an 80-20, or just?
I don't know.
It's just beef from the farm.
Yep. It's just so nice to be able to go to your freezer and know that it was raised on the farm.
Yes.
Corn-fed, I'm quite certain.
That's Nebraska, ladies and gentlemen.
Yep. Okay. So did you get that sprayed? Okay. So we're going to take. How much time do we have?
I have no clue.
We got 15 minutes.
It might take 15 minutes to finish it. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's take a quick break and finish this. Assemble it, and then we'll bake it, and then maybe take a bite of it.
You betcha.
Tomorrow.
We'll be right back. And we are back in the kitchen making a Shelley's creamy spaghetti bake.
Yes,
Yes.
or baked spaghetti. I can't.
Any kind.
Anyway, so so we're going to finish this recipe up. we're going to place half the cream cheese mixture over the spaghetti at the bottom of the baking dish. So
Okay.
you spray the 9x13. The oven's on at 350. So oh, sorry.
Oh.
Okay.
So all of the spaghetti or just
half.
Just a half of it?
Yeah.
Because we're layering it like,
Yep.
like lasagna, everybody. Just think of it like lasagna. You make a little bit there. And how much spaghetti did you use?
That's just 16 ounces, which is equivalent
just
to a
one
pound.
box?
Yep.
That's one box of spaghetti?
Yeah.
Holy
Did you ever hear
cannolis.
about the fish and loaves?
Right here, friends.
Yeah.
Spaghetti noodles.
And it's
Okay.
too bad. It's too bad it is Spaghetti Monday at the Lewis family, but okay, look at that. Okay,
That's
to
about
that,
half.
then you just dollop that mixture and then spread that cream cheese.
What am I salting and peppering?
Well, you're supposed to salt and pepper that, but I think we'll be fine. We'll just add Parmesan when
Okay,
we're
and
done.
I have
So
a
I'll
spoon.
take that.
I'll take that.
Okay.
Okay. You know, I'll add a little bit of pepper to
Yeah, please do.
just to make it colorful.
Geez, a little.
And then, so like half of this then?
Yep. And then we're just gonna then we spread it even, and then we add.
Okay.
It is just like this.
Like dollop it? Like that?
Yes, just like that, Carol.
Do I spread?
I
Okay,
will
you spread. And I'll dollop.
Okay. Okay.
And one more.
Is that half?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, Shelley, this is Shelley's recipe, and we appreciate Shelley sent us.
Yeah. Look how easy peasy it is, everybody.
Now, to that, we're going to.
Wait, we got to get this one part dolloped. Okay. Don't drop it, Ronnie. Okay, this could take the rest of the show.
Well, I'm sorry. I grabbed the biggest spoon in the house.
See, you should see the utensils that we have that we don't use. We have a drawer of them, a drawer.
But CJ gave us all these.
I know, she gave us the ones that we use all the time.
Okay, so then.
We have old ones here.
You think that's now just.
Yeah. So just even all this out.
Yep.
Oh, Ronnie, this is going to be delicious. How long does this have to cook in the oven?
It says 20 to 30 minutes.
Well, 'cause, yeah, pretty much everything is
then
done.
after we get this, I mean, this isn't enough, but we're just gonna. This isn't. You ready?
Yes, ma'am. I love this already.
mean,
Look at
this
this.
Is a lot of. This is
I
perfect
can't believe
for
this is one.
potluck.
Yeah. This is one big old box of spaghetti-o.
Yep.
This will feed a family of 1,000, I think, because look at this. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Perfect.
Look at how perfectly halved that spaghetti was.
Get that
Okay.
little guy in there.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Carol.
There. Okay, now we do this.
Yep.
The rest of our...
Now it calls for cheddar cheese, but I have this
Oh, I
four-cheese
think-
Mexican blend,
Yeah,
which is
that would be good.
Monterey Jack, cheddar, queso.
Perfect for this
And I
recipe.
can't- and it
yeah, I don't think I would
doesn't-
put cheddar cheese on this. I think I would put, I mean, you can, but I like Monterey Jack and
I like
mozzarella. That's the same, that's twice that we
love
said the same
mozzarella.
thing.
Oh,
Okay, well, maybe that wasn't half from, I should have made a little less on the top. Oh, shoot, yeah.
again, warm up the oven, 350.
This is kind of like a lasagna.
Yep.
Yeah,
And I'm not a big cottage cheese lover, so I'm going to have a little bit and see what it tastes like.
you'll like it. How
I
could you not? Look at this.
because cottage
delicious-
cheese is curdy.
Yes.
Okay, so this
there you go.
this is like the bigger portion of this. So
There we
if
go.
I can do this
everybody.
without spilling
Splashing.
anything on my.
Oh, this smells so good.
Okay.
Look at this,
Get that.
folks. So how long, this goes in, so at 350 you
50
said, for 20 to 30 minutes.
20 to 30 minutes, and we'll take a picture of it and we'll show it. And we also will share Shelley's recipe
Sure, Shelley's recipe.
on our website, Nebraska.tv. So, Shelley, thank you for sharing your
Thank you,
recipe.
Shelley.
And if you'd like to come cook, if you have recipes you'd like to share with us, go ahead and email it to us, Facebook message us, or
Yes.
swing by Carol's RV and
And we'll cook you up
And
a dinner.
drop it off,
So
so-
the cheese goes on now before you bake
Yep.
it? Okay. And then do you put anything on it? Do you put any more cheese on it when it comes out? I guess you could.
You can do whatever you want
Look
to.
at this. Ronnie, this is lay your face in it good. Yeah.
it will be.
That
Trust
looks,
me.
Oh, my heavens to Betsy. That
So everybody
looks
can enjoy a
delicious.
Spaghetti Monday.
Yes. There we go, friends. Thank you, Ronnie.
You bet. Thank you, Shelley.
Thank you, Shelley. And friends, we will be right back closing up the end of the show. Stay with us.